Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to learn more about message class in this part 2 video. So if you have not seen my previous video part 1, please click on the I button or you can check the video description for that. So let's get started. So we will be seeing today how we can do translation of messages in different languages, and we will also see how we can display long text messages in our ABAP program report. So let's quickly go to the editor mode, and this is our demo program that we learned where we fetch some value from this header table and we checked it. If it is correct, we pass the success message. If it is incorrect, we pass the error message there. So now what we will be doing, we will go to SE91 TCode again for message class, and we will add some new message for checking the long message. So click go on change mode. So now what I will do, I will just select this message, just copy paste here. So to make it a long message, so copy it, paste, again paste, you can paste it and then you can write it anything. Okay, go error something, and then etc. Then I am not able to enter further value here, if you see. And let me type 2, and now I am not entering any value, it's not allowing. So what you need to do in that case, as it's a short text, you need to create a long message here. So you need to click on this long text button. It will give you a pop-up like save, yes, do yes, and then yes again, and then it will show you some kind of word editor. Then from there, what you need to do, you need to go to menu tab, go to option, then go to change editor. Then here what you can do, you can pass the value here at any level as per your requirement. For example, let me pass the at cause level, like what is the cause. So you have entered incorrect value on screen, please change, and okay, please change the process. So now do F5 here and go to back button again. Let's try to save it, and then now we can use this 002 number message in our ABAP program. Go to our program, and then from here what you can do, let's see, for example, just copy this, and instead of that just pass again any new message here, just comment it, and we can now remove as well. We don't have any ampersand there. So instead of that 000, we will pass 002 here. Now try to click on save and activate it. So this time what you will see, a long text message on your screen. Execute it and pass any wrong value. I'm showing you directly without setting a breakpoints. Just execute it. It will show you short message first. And as sometimes there is a requirement, we need to pass a long message because it's not clear from this empty character whatever short text have. So you need to double click on this, or user can double click on this to see the long text message. So if you go here, you have seen your long text message here, apart from that short message, like you have entered incorrect value on screen, please change it, that we passed in SE91, if you remember. So that way the user can see the long text message instead of that short text message. So both way we can do it. Now close it and go back to our program. Now we will see in the SE91 TCode how we can create our translations in different languages, because that is pretty much important when you suppose have a SAP Fiori apps, for example. So in that on screen, if you want to show some messages, or let's say you have some clients or user in your German, so that way they will be using German language obviously. So in that case, what you need to do, but you need to manage that message in German language so that the Fiori developer can use it while it is through auditor service or something. So that way the error message can be displayed. So for that, just go to SE91 TCode and select here any message, like for example, well done. Just select it, then go to your go to menu, and then from here you will see there is a translation option that you can use it for doing translation. So just click on this, and if you see, there will be a pop-up open. So the original language it is showing EN, which stands for English. And then there is the option of target language. If you just go here and click F4, you will see there are multiple languages that you can use it in your message class, and then you can use it in your Fiori or whatever language the user is asking. So for example, AR is there for Arabic, and then there is a CS is for CJAC, and then there will be German is for DE, then FR is for French. So there are multiple languages that as per the user requirement you can use it, whether be it Italian, Japanese, Danish, and Polish, as well as Dutch is there. So there are multiple. Portuguese is there. So different language you will see. ES stands for Spanish, and then just you need to select, for example, I'm selecting this, or just say, for example, I'm selecting the German, for example, where it is, yeah, the German. So we just select here uh, the target language. As of now, we do not know about this. For example, well done, what it stands in German. For example, let's say in thank you, you say in German as a danke. For example, DANKE. So thank you means a danke. So as of now, we just giving any German value here. So just save it. So that way you can save it and again save it. So that way if you utilize it in German language or SAP Fiori will be showing messages, so that will be auto converted in your Fiori app screen when the user will be entering some any incorrect value, any good value, something. So if you need to check again, just select again this value, go to translation, and then you will see the already selected value as a German. So you can change it, or you can even create it new value as well. For example, I want to show the same message in another language as well. For example, French, right? So French, if you are saying like do translate it. So like for example, we want to say thank you in French. So it's merci beaucoup something. So mercy, you can say mercy when they say. So that will be a conversion of that. So you can again save it and go back again and then save it again. So that way you can use multiple languages if you want to use, and then that will be saved in your tier and you will be able to use it. So I hope you got to learn about this long text messages, how you can use it, and various different translation of messages you have in SE91. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Thank you.